Hello students, what's up? This is Arvind and you are watching Arvind's E-Classes. So, those are new, I want to introduce them, better they go through this channel and explore all the useful tutorials. And next in this tutorial, we are going to discuss your paragraph tag. And it's very important. And next we have a formatting tags. And when we talk about a formatting tag, there are a bunch of tags like a bold, underline, italic, subscript, superscript that we will see in this tutorial in detail. So be with us and enjoy this tutorial. First of all, your paragraph tag is a container tag because it has initial tag as well as your end tag. And another thing, your paragraph tag has one attribute that is called align, and it has limited three values. First one is your left, second center, and third one is your right value. Okay, so let us we see practically how paragraph tag is used in a web page. So it is your notepad and it is a basic structure of your web page. You already know, and your basic structure has two parts. This one is called head part and this one is called your body part. Okay, so we are going to discuss paragraph tag. So before starting paragraph, I want to compare this paragraph tag with a break tag. So let us we write one sentence. This is my page. Okay, so we're using break tag here, and as you know, it is a empty tag and paste. Okay, Control S, I have saved. Now let us we see its output. Refreshing this web page, its output is not a very much visible to you, I think. So better we use heading tag. You already know what is heading tag. It is also a container tag. At last, again we use heading tag here. Control S. Now let us we refresh this web page. Now it is looking bigger and more visible. So my dear student, just now we used here break. Okay, and you know break just jump to next line, and if you want to give a more gap in between lines, then we have to use paragraph tag. Okay, now let us we use paragraph tag here. We use here paragraph, come to end. Here again use end of paragraph. As you know, it is a container tag. Now I copy this paragraph tag. Okay, first of all delete this content. Now paste, enter, paste, enter, paste. Now Control S, I have saved it. Open your browser and refresh. Now see, there is enough gap. If you want to give this kind of a gap in between your content and it would look like a paragraph, then you have to use this paragraph tag. Okay, now let us we use its attribute. Yeah, we will use here align, ALIGN equal to double quote, and by default, see here, by default it is left aligned. It is a left aligned. If your content come at center, means center aligned, and if your content comes here at right part, it is called your right aligned. Now we will set center, CENTER, Control S. Now refresh this page. Now see here, this content is centered in your web page. Understood? And by default, it aligned at right part of your web page. Now let us realign this content at a right part of your web page. So we will just change here, just type right, RIGHT, Control S. Now I have saved it. Now refresh your web page. So see, your content has been shifted at a right part of your web page. Understood? So I think you have understood about the paragraph tag. Yeah, this one. Yeah, now I think you have understood about your paragraph tag, as it has align attribute and which has 3 values, left, center and right, that give a look as a paragraph to your web page, and your content looks more presentable. And another thing, it is a container tag. Don't forget it. Container tag, a tag which has an initial tag as well as an end tag, is called container tag. And we always add attribute at initial part of your tag. Understood? So now we move to next topic, and which is your formatting tag. Yeah, formatting tag. You know what does mean by formatting? Just I show you actually what does mean by formatting. I take you to MS Word. Now just I type Arvind eclasses, pop and increase it. Okay, it's a normal. Now if you want to bold your text, see here, it is bold, it is formatting. Even you can underline your content, it is formatting. You can italic your font, it is formatting. Okay, and another one is sometimes you want to use subscript and a superscript. And what does mean by subscript and a superscript? See here, like we type H. Yeah, now we don't need the attributes. Type H to O, and I want to write H2O. It means formula of your water. See here, so this 2 is subscript. Okay, this 2 means subscript, and a superscript means like sometimes we write like a plus b, sorry, a plus b bracket close into, and we put as a superscript. This one is called a superscript. I am highlighting all the content. See here, this one is called subscript and this one is your superscript, and this one is like a bold, italic, underline, that we are going to do in our web page. Now close it. No, yeah. So same way, dear student, we can add bold with this tag, bold tag. If you want to add your content with the underline, we will use U tag. If you want to do your tag in an italic format, we use I for italic. And if you want to add like your subscript, like we did in a water, H2O, 2 as a subscript, then we use subscript, SUB sub. And if you want to give a power like a plus b whole square, then we use superscript. And another thing, these all tags are container tag. And why these are container tag, you already know. These have a initial tag and an end tag. And first tag is called, this first tag is called your initial tag, and this last one called your end tag. Understood? So let us now we practice all tags in our notepad. Yeah, yes, this is your notepad. So what we will do, yeah, first delete all the contents, and first of all we will use bold, B for bold, and we will write one text. This is bold, end of B, control S. So better we type all the contents together and we'll see at last. And if you want to underline, type this is underline, end of U. Now italic, I, this is italic, end of I. Okay, now control S, save, and open it, refresh your page, and see all contents are in one line. So if you want to see all these content in separate lines, mean to say in 3 lines, what tag you will use? Just tell me. Yeah, you all are right. Here we will use break tag. Copy it, Control C, come down, Control V, again come down, Control V, Control S, copy. As you know, your break tag is an empty tag. Now refresh your page, and now see, this is your bold text, and this is your underline text, and this one is your italics text, and these all are looking more dark because we are using heading tag. Okay, so I think you have understood how we can use bold tag, how we can use underline tag, and how we can use italic tag. Now we will see how we can use subscript and superscript, like here, give to break. Okay, now we will use subscript, type H, and we want to as a subscript, so put your tag subscript SUB, and here to end of your subscript. As you know, your subscript is a container tag, and H2O. Okay, Control S. Now let us we see its output. Refresh your page. Now see here, your 2 is looking because we have used here subscript. Now see, this coding has changed your 2 as a subscript. Okay, this one. So now we'll use your superscript, like we will use A plus B whole square, mean to say we will use superscript SUP, bracket close to end of super. As you know, your superscript is a container tag, Control S, and here we will use break tag because we want to see this content at your next page. Control S. Now refresh your page. Yeah, see, and here we have used your superscript. So now I think you have understood what does mean by formatting tag. Just now here we used bold, here we used underline, here we use italic, here we have used subscript, and here we have used your superscript. Now just now, dear student, we discussed your bold tag, underline tag, italic tag, subscript, and a superscript. So now we move to next tutorial. Oh, next there is quiz that is waiting for you. So before starting quiz, we take a one recapitulation what we did in this tutorial. First of all, we did paragraph tag, and your paragraph tag has a one attribute view, that is align tag, and which has a three values, that was left, center and right. Next, we discussed how we can format our web page: bold, underline, italic, and next we discussed your superscript and a subscript. So without wasting time, let us we start our quiz. So your first question is, which tag is used to set paragraph in your web page? Paragraph means P. Yeah, think of it. Yeah, right. Yeah, you are right. It is P. Very good. And the next question is, which attribute has these values: left, center and right values in your paragraph tag? And you know your paragraph tag has only one attribute. Yes, you are absolutely right. That is align tag, nothing else. Very good. Next one is, which tag is used to bold your text, as we does in our MS Word? Yeah, you are right. B for bold. Good. We use this bold tag. Next one is, which tag is used to italic your text? Italic means I. So we use, yeah, very good, I tag. Very good. Next one is, which tag is used to underline a text? Underline text means U. So yeah, very good. We use U tag. Very good. Next one is, which tag will be used to write like a H2O? It is your subscript. So we will use this subscript tag. Very good. Now there is only last question, and that is, which tag will be used if you want to write this way? Means to say like a power, means to say super, right? We will use superscript. So your quiz is finished. So you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god. You have got 7 marks out of 7. Very good. That's like a good player. So next, let us we see what is there. And the next is surprise. And surprise is, what do you know about a different type of a computer? Do you know we have a different type of a computer? Can you explain? Then I give you 5 seconds. Just think of it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is your answer. And your answer is computer type. Your computer can be defined in 2 categories. First one is according to their size. Second is according to your purpose. According to size, supercomputer is the biggest computer. Not only biggest, even it is the fastest and more accurate computer in this world. And India has made its first supercomputer, and that was called Param. Okay. And the second category is mainframe computer and a mini computer. And mainframe computer and mini computers are used by the big companies, big organizations and big universities. And the fourth type of computer is called your microcomputer. In microcomputer we have 3 categories. First form is your palm top computers like your smartphones. Second, we have laptop computers that we always use. And third one is your desktop computer that we mostly use in offices. And according to purpose, we have a first type of computer that is called analog computer, like your thermometer to measure the temperature of an environment. And a second category is your digital computer, like your calculator that gives an accurate result. And the third one is a hybrid computer, when we mix analog computer and a digital computer together in a one unit, as a one machine, it becomes a hybrid computer. Now I think you have understood the type of a computer according to size, according to your purpose. So now your tutorial is over here, and if you found this tutorial was very helpful for you, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe this channel so that you can up to date with an upcoming new tutorial. So we will meet in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.